anxiety. 3, 2, 1. Anxiety, keep on trying me. Feel it quietly, trying to silence me. Yeah. Anxiety, pick it up for me. Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety.
My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy. And you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a berry. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you won't, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy. And you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a berry. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you. I can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then baby sing it with me.
So I did my 30-minute workout today. I did a at-home Pilates is Move with Nicole. It was good too. I was all stressed out.
Now here's a story about a woman with dreams. So picture perfect, the 13 and ebony queen. Beneath the surface, it was more than just a crooked smile. Nobody knew about a secret, so it took a while. I could see a tear fall slow down a black Jeep, shedding quiet tears in the backseat. So when she asked me, what would you do if you were shoot? Couldn't answer, such a horrible pain to live through. I tried to trade places in the tragedy. I couldn't picture 3 crazy niggas grabbing me. For just a moment, I was trapped in the pain. Lord, come and take me from the
Today I am going to be styling my hair. So in the beginning, you saw some clips. You already saw that I already had in heatless rollers, and I'm gonna do a totally different video on how to actually put the heatless rollers in to do the heatless curls. But today's video is going to be more about my new hair that I have. In the last video, you guys kind of saw me installing my hair. I didn't really dedicate an installation video to it, but if you want to check it out, you can go look at it here or here. You know, check that out, and you can kind of see a little bit of the install. But today I'm going to be actually styling the wig. So I am stepping out of my comfort zone and trying ash blonde wig. I've always wanted an ash blonde wig because back in the day, I used to wear 613. So I felt like if I could do that, and if I could wear those, then I could kill the ash blonde. So we're about to see today because I'm actually styling because I wore it. I wore it with makeup and I like it, but I actually want to like get into it. So today's the 4th of July. So happy 4th of July to everybody. I hope that you guys have a safe and fun 4th and enjoy time with your families and just be happy and just kick it and chill. So we're about to kick it and chill. I think I'm just going to turn on some music. I got a little playlist for us to listen to, and we're about to get into my hair. I also need to apply my lash clusters. I just got to get ready for the day in general, but we about to focus on my hair.
Stay, y'all say, yo, y'all say it ain't lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barbie and I'm Rambo in the yo. I'm billionaire rich like John Jack, I'm Camo in the yo. These thoughts can't stop me nowadays. You wish I was your pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to go around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on the elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on the elevator. Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, housed up, round in it.
Alright, so I did my lashes when I came back in, and they're going to be on my TikTok. So if you want to see the lash tutorial and get the lash mask and all this stuff, then you can go and you can look on my TikTok. But I am about to take the heatless curls out so that we can see how they look.
Do what I want, I'm crush. Don't follow the rules, I'm broke. No, I stand out, bitch, I'm special. I'm stand up, bitch, like hell. You a bum ass bitch, you wet. Don't stall me, bitch, I'm petty. Line in the bitch up, I'm ready. I don't pick and choose, it's up with whoever. All my diamonds serve, and all these members 32. Smiling in my nigga, knock out all your 32. C8 doors, open up for me. Hear the engine roar, switch to sport. I got somewhere to be, little baby, I'm important.
He want me back, her here, can't get no your coochie out the queen and put some Lulu on his butt. Fuck a strand, we getting money. Fresh to death when I pop it, hoe you forever looking funny. Free picking, bitch, I'm with the gang. Call the boss from out the choir, they gon' let them Dracos sing. Wow, bitch, you burnt out. Wow, bitch, I'm turned out. Catch your place out the way.
So I hope that you have a wonderful and a safe 4th of July. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And comment below and let me know if you have tried heatless curls before or if you will try heatless curls now. Don't forget to have your post notifications on so that you never miss when I post. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
For my money, there was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me just love me.